When sunlight hits the solar panels, it is converted into direct current electricity using photovoltaic cells. The direct current electricity flows into the solar inverter, where it is transformed into alternating current, the type of electricity used in our homes and businesses. This alternating current power is utilized immediately to operate your lights, fans, air conditioning, television, and other household appliances. In the event that your solar system generates more electricity than you consume, the surplus power is sent back to the electricity grid through a net meter. With net metering, you receive credits for the excess electricity you provide, leading to a significant reduction in your electricity bill. During nighttime or periods of low sunlight, your energy needs are met by drawing power from the grid, ensuring that you have a constant supply of electricity. The solar panels work silently during the day, maximizing energy production without any noise or emissions. Regular maintenance of the solar panels is minimal, requiring only occasional cleaning and inspections to ensure optimal performance. On-grid solar systems provide a reliable and sustainable energy solution that helps combat climate change by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Switching to solar energy is not only good for the environment, but it also increases the value of your home, making it a wise investment. Engaging in solar energy lowers your carbon footprint and promotes a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. By adopting solar technology, you join a growing community of empowered consumers who are taking control of their energy needs. Enjoy the benefits of energy independence while contributing positively to the environment and saving money on your energy bills. Choose full solar solutions for comprehensive solar guidance and resources tailored to your energy needs. Join us in building a sustainable future with the power of solar energy.